Hello, my name is Dr. Chaitanya and welcome to my new YouTube video. Coming to the renal system part 2, renal tumors. This is the classification of the renal tumor which has been covered for you in the theory practical. I am not going in the detail. So, just as a broad classification, renal tumor histologically can be seen into clear cell papillary chromophobe carcinoma of collecting duct bellini and papillary adenoma. Out of this, clear cell is the most common. In the nephroblastic, it is a nephroblastoma, that is Wilms tumor, most common in the pediatric. Metanephric tumors and called as also metanephric adenoma, and there are certain mesenchymal tumors. This is not the full classification, so please go through the classification in your theory part or any theory book. Coming to the first one is the renal cell carcinoma. It is a wet mount formalin piezo specimen of the kidney measuring around 10 into 6 into 3 cm with the surrounding fat attached to it. The capsular surface of the kidney is grayish white, shows swelling as it is curved, and the capsule of the external surface is intact. The cut section shows well circumscribed mass with a central cortical region of the kidney measuring around 3 cm. The tumor is grayish white yellow in color and few hemorrhagic areas are noted. So this is the solid tumor in the cortical area showing the hemorrhagic areas and the necrosis areas. The capsule is intact of this kidney. From the outer surface the fat is attached. Okay, so these are the some macroscopic features of the RCC. The most common histological feature is a clear cell carcinoma. In clear cell carcinoma, important thing is it is separated by small delicate septas. So these septas are very important to identify. Here you cannot see the nucleoli. Nucleoli can be seen in the under high power. So these are the tumor is composed of packets of clear cells divided by the delicate septas. So the septa are characteristics of this RCC. Coming to the next one is the Wilms tumor. Wilms tumor is a pediatric tumor or nephroblastoma. This is the wet mount formalin piezo specimen measuring around 9 into 5 into 4 cm. Capsular surface smooth with the white with the fat. The fat is attached to it. Then the capsule is intact, shows bulging measuring around 4 cm in diameter. The cut surface shows the encapsulated tumor measuring around 9 cm. So this is the whole tumor showing the different areas of hemorrhages and the grayish white and variegated appearance. Under the microscopy, Wilms tumor is called as the triphasic tumor. Triphasic means there are the three phases. Triphasic means there are the three phases. Okay, so first, that is there are the three things. One is it's like glandular appearance. So something is blue and which is appearing as a glandular. Okay, this is the first part. This is the first part which is appearing glandular and blue in color. So cells are arranged in the glandular pattern. Another one is hypocellular area which is called as the stromal area. This is called as the epithelial area. And third one which is again blue but in the sheets. Okay, again in the sheets, the blue cells again in the sheets. These are called as the blast area. Okay, so blast, stroma and the epithelium together they form the triphasic Wilms tumor. So this, if you saw this triphasic tumor under the microscope at undergraduate level, it is a Wilms tumor. Coming to the last part, that is the papillary TCC, that is the transitional cell carcinoma. It is a specimen of the bladder. It is a wet mount formalin piezo specimen of the urinary bladder measuring around 7.5 into 6.5 into 2.5 cm. The external surface is unremarkable. Ureteric wall appears thickened, obstructing the bladder neck, and the mass is seen occupying the trigone area. The cut surface is solid grayish white yellow in color with few hemorrhagic areas. Rest of the bladder wall appears uniformly thickened. So this is the actually wall is thickened because of the obstruction. This is the thickened wall of this urinary bladder. These are the papillary projections, and actually this is the tumor which is in the trigonal area. So this is the specimen of the papillary TCC. Thank you.